Hey everyone, this is William from MyCar.Repair, and today we're going to be changing the wiper blades on this Yaris 1.2. As we were doing the safety checks, checking the lights and checking all the fluids and the oils, we noticed that the wiper blades were old and damaged, and especially as it's rainy season, we thought we'd best change them, otherwise it's going to be dangerous driving our car around. So, on the left we've got 600mm, and on the right we've got 350mm blades, and we're going to be changing these here today. So, we've got these high quality German wiper blades from Heine, and they're fitted with graphite for extra long life. And then we've got liquid moly wiper clean concentrate, and we're going to be using about 10ml for every litre of water we're going to be putting inside the car to spray on the windscreen. And last of all, we've got our microfiber, which we're going to use to clean down the windscreen at the end. So first of all, change the windscreen wipers. It's really easy. Okay, so now we're just going to measure to find out what size wiper blades we need. And this one, as you can see, 350mm, and the large one on the left, $600mm. So we've got 350mm on the right and 600mm on the left, and that leads us to 350 here, 600 there. Okay, so here I'm going. I'm just going to unclip this bit here and then pull that down and take out. Really easy. And if I go around the other side, same again. Pull that in, just pull it down, and off it comes like that. Now what we're going to be doing is we're going to get in a liquid moly concentrate, and like I said, adding 10ml for every litre of fluid, and we've got a litre of water we've done in here, so I'm just going to pour that into there. Then give it a shake around, and that's going to be ready to go into your car. So here we go, our Heine wiper blades from Germany with the nano graphite for long life. Really simple. Pull these down, pull them out. So now we've got a new wiper blade, really easy to put on. Just slide it up there, like that, and there it is on. And if we go for the other one, just open it here, pull it out, and then we're ready to do it exactly the same on the other side. Simple as that. And there are your two windscreen wipers fitted. Now all we need to do next is just pour the fluid into the tank in the engine, and then we'll be ready to put the concentrate onto the windscreen shield and clean the windshield. Okay, so here's the easy bit. We've opened up the hood of the car, and we've just got to go around, and on a Yaris, it's just located here. Just take the cap off, give it another shake to make sure it's going round, and then pour it down. And there we go. Put the cap back on. Simple as that. So now I'm just going to go in to the car. So now we've done that, the windscreen should be clean, but we're going to finish it off by getting the bucket of water, and we're going to just clean the whole windscreen shield. Okay, and to finish off, we've fitted the blades, we've cleaned the shield, but now we're going to finish off with this liquid moly microfiber, and we're just going to give it a finishing touch and clean it all off. There you go. As you can see, it's all coming clean now. And there it is. Simple as that. We've changed our blades and we're safe and we've got a clean windshield. Okay, and that's it. Thank you everybody for watching. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. Like us and share with all your friends. And when you need any help with your car, or your engine or your wiper blades, come and see us at MyCar.Repair and we'll be happy to help you. Thank you.